All right, a couple hours in, first thing that we've actually got done was just took it out, wiped it down, got all the heavy debris and dust off of it, went through the interior, wiped it down too. It was really nasty. Looks like all the floors are pretty rusted out. There's no doubt those are gonna have to be replaced. But all in all, it was a good feeling to go through, get it wiped down one time and cleaned up. We'll walk around and show it to you, but first we hadn't mentioned before that this is obviously a 67 Firebird Convertible, 326 factory motor. A turbo 400 was put in it at one point. It has already been converted to disc brakes, but they look like they're pretty rough still, so we'll probably go through and freshen those up, put a new booster and master cylinder on. And then we'll just take you around here and show you the inside, how it cleaned up. Looks to me like the passenger seat and the rear bench all could be cleaned up and salvaged. The driver's seat obviously will not, which could be a problem as well as far as just getting things to match up. But all in all, cleaned up pretty nicely for a couple hours there. We'll get into the other projects here soon.